बनाया वो सब, तो मुझे बनना था। मुझे बहुत जल्दी, मेरे पास कोई कपड़े नहीं थे, तो मेरी एक प्लेन स्कर्ट थी, मैंने उसके ऊपर एक छोटी सी चीज ड्रॉ करी, मैंने अपनी मामा की भी हेल्प ली थोड़ी सी, तो अभी तो मेरी स्कर्ट पूरी नहीं हुई है अच्छे से।
Oh, what the net? What is that?
It's a net.
Yeah.
I actually don't know who I right now, and
Okay.
I have no clue what is this in my head.
Okay. But you're looking, very different, Sana. And yes, I don't know what to say.
It's a chunni.
Yeah, that is also, yeah, that is chunni. But जो उन्होंने एक
This is a
attire,
vampire.
ओ माय गॉड, तुम्हें सना कुछ और समझ में नहीं आता, तुम्हारे तुम्हारे दिमाग में कुछ ऐसे ऐसे ख्याल चलते रहते हैं। और वैम्पायर, अच्छा,
Good.
बाय द वे टेल मी वन थिंग, व्हाई वी सेलिब्रेट दिस फेस्टिवल बाय द वे, इज इट अ
Uh,
फेस्टिवल?
you can find
Sorry, I'm
it.
late.
इट्स ओके डू नो, इट्स ओके, वी जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अच्छा ठीक है, कुछ लोग हैलोवीन को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए कुछ कुछ बने हैं, तो
Sir,
दे जस्ट, let
our
me complete, please, and then Sharvi, you can speak. Yes, Sana, Devanshi, and then Sharvi. Yes.
This Halloween, you asked that why do we celebrate Halloween?
Yeah.
So, my actually father told me yesterday. Actually, today is not Halloween Sundays because it's the last day of school. Not the last Mondays are that. So weekends are coming, so we can't do it like that. So,
Yeah.
we prepared mana community and all things and all. So, our home theme is for Halloween. We make this festival lots of in America we make. We actually Indians don't literally celebrate; they just have fun in Halloween
Okay.
and things.
Yeah. Yeah.
But in America and all the foreign places, they
Mm-hmm.
celebrate this as their whole a very big party, and
Mm-hmm.
it's a very special thing they
Mm-hmm.
celebrate. I've also seen in movies that this celebrate a lot
Yeah.
because of the spirits they have. So in for example America, the spirits of us and
Sorry, but you have 30 seconds more.
okay, so we have spirits. Some people do have spirits and who they die sometime and pass away. We celebrate for them.
Oh, thank you very much. Yes, Devanshi.
So can I share after Diwan?
that we just celebrate just to remember type of remember
Mm-hmm.
haunted things and
Mm-hmm.
everything.
Okay, thank you. Now, Sharvi, yes, your turn, and then
Not
Nandika, and then Angad. Yeah.
It's not because me also. It's also
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, please continue.
it's actually because of we are actually doing a class Halloween party which some of us have planned. So
Mm-hmm.
it's also because of that everybody is getting dressed up and I'm planning it with Angad, Maithili and and a few other people, Gunur and Ayan. So
Yeah,
And
but
five
thank you,
four of our
thank
friends.
you. Angad, your turn.
Sir,
I'm sorry. Angad, wait. Angad, sorry. Nandika, and then Angad.
Hmm.
So that I think that Halloween is to ward off clothes and to have fun by wearing scary costumes.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Angad, now your turn, and then Advay.
Sir, I wanted to say two things. One that what Halloween is really about is that the line between the dead people and the real people, the people say it becomes blurry, and the ghosts from that side, from the dead people's things, come over here. So what they do, the humans that are alive, they dress up as ghosts to make those ghosts go away, and then it will seem like those ghosts will feel okay. These are ghost stories, so no harm done to us.
Very well said, Angad. Very well said. Thank you. Advay, your turn.
Sir, I'm
So therefore I am gonna tell the whole story but in a short form of the Halloween.
30 seconds, sir, you have. Yeah.
Okay. So first there was a man, I can't remember his name. First they used to celebrate Halloween as like they used to say like Hallow and Ween. It wasn't like the ghost thing. They just they had there was some onion type things. They used to carve onions and put them over there and put like a light inside them. So and they didn't and the
Lantern.
and the lantern inside them. The man who was I talking about died, so his spirit. So that made like somebody found out his dead body over there in the forests and said his spirit is somewhere around over here there. So
Yeah. Last 5 seconds.
the person said Halloween. Everyone was shocked. What is that?
Hmm.
So
Okay.
they
Thank.
named that festival as like they said if a spirit dies, all the spirits can just stay from away from humans. When the Halloween comes, the line breaks apart and the spirits can come inside the human world.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. But thank you, Advait. Thank you very much. Okay, quickly, uh, Sana, Sana, can you hear me? If you can do quickly one naughty thing, and only Sana, and after that, maybe we will see if I'll take hands from here for the same task. Otherwise, we will move on, right? And the persons who is Sana, first of all, can you hear me, Sana?
yeah, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, so your time starts now, Sana.
So, what do I have to do? A naughty thing or something?
Yeah, because we do in previous classes also. Come on, we did. Yeah.
Actually, I don't do naughty things, but okay. I take this pen. What?
Oh,
Sir, can you hear me?
yeah, but we can't see you.
So you can pin me.
Sir, I
Uh,
can. Huh?
Everybody, please pin Sana's screen.
Even I can see her. I think that's the naughty thing that you do.
Same.
Okay. Yeah.
So take another pen.
Uh-huh.
Boom.
Okay.
Third pen. Boom.
Uh-huh.
So my mother is going to scold me because of you.
No, don't stop. Don't do that. Stop. Pick all those pen, please, please. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sana. Okay, now moving ahead. So quickly, we need to first of all think about what we've done in the last class. If you know the answer, if you know what to say now, but before that, seriously close your eyes, and think about literally what we have done in the last class. Close your eyes and think about the last class. And after exactly 30 seconds, I will start taking your hands.
Sir, what do we have to think?
Mr. Manav, we have to think about in the last class what we've done.
What?
हमने लास्ट क्लास में क्या किया था?
अच्छा.
जी. Okay. Slowly you can open your eyes, and I really wanna. Okay. start writing in a chat box, guys, and according to that, I will give you a
So
chance
if
to.
we don't know, suppose we forgot.
It's okay, Devanshi. So we can wait and we can hear others, and then maybe we can contribute. I'm waiting, guys. So you can start in a chat box if you wanna say something about the last class. Anybody? Manav?
Sir, I don't remember.
I know because it's it's a huge gap. We are meeting almost after 1.5 months.
2-3 weeks.
Yeah, no, more than that. More than that, actually. More than that. Okay. So क्या मैं आपको याद दिलाऊं? Okay, I can see Mahika's thumb and Vikas, Mr. Vikas. Yeah. So okay, fine, guys. Okay. If you don't remember, I will help you in that. Oh, two persons together. So Mahika and Siddhant, right? Okay, okay. So if you remember, we were talking about, right, waste, right? And हमने यहाँ तक भी बात किया था. And it's a request, it's a humble request to all of you. Please switch on your cameras, please. Please switch on your cameras. Thank you very much. Thank you. So we were talking about कि ये जो वेस्ट है ये कहाँ तक जाता है. हमने वीडियोस भी देखी थी, हमने माउंटेन को लेकर भी बात की थी कि माउंटेन बन जाता है, राइट. फिर उस माउंटेन में से उस गार्बेज को जिसको रिसाइकल किया जा सकता है, सो वो रिसाइकल फैक्ट्रीज में जाता है और रिसाइकल होता है. बट काफी कुछ जो गार्बेज है, सना एंड एवरीवन एल्स, काफी आप लोगों ने अग्रीमेंट दिखाया था इस बात पर कि वो कहाँ जाता है. वो जाता है पानी के अंदर, राइट. यू रिमेंबर दैट, राइट, कि वो गार्बेज, काफी गार्बेज का जो हिस्सा है, जो क्वांटिटी है, वो पानी के अंदर डाल दिया जाता है या फिर फॉरेस्ट में जाकर डाल दिया जाता है, राइट. सो पहले तो इस बात पर हम अग्रीमेंट रखते हैं. क्या आपको याद आया कि हमने ऐसी कोई बात की थी? डू यू रिमेंबर दैट? You can show me thumbs up. Oh my God. One
Yes,
thumbs
sir.
up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Devanshi, Sana, Vikas, Siddhant, Manav, Gurnoor.
So, I'm still thinking about it.
Okay. So let's take 30 seconds to think.
So, can you repeat the question again so I can think more? Like,
It was not question, but yes, हम ये बात कर रहे थे सना कि ये जो गार्बेज है, ये गार्बेज माउंटेन में चला जाता है ना. गार्बेज की जो बड़े बड़े माउंटेन्स बने हुए थे वहां पर, एंड वहां से कुछ सेलेक्टिव गार्बेज जो कि रिसाइकल हो सकता है, वो रिसाइकल के लिए फैक्ट्रीज में चला जाता है. बट बाकी का गार्बेज जाता कहाँ है जिसको हम रिसाइकल नहीं कर सकते हैं? यस सना.
so मुझे समझ आया कि सर लाइक आपने एक हमें वीडियो दिखाई थी बहुत पहले कि जो गार्बेज होता है जो हम थ्रो करते हैं, चीजें लाइक मेसी होती हैं, हम गार्बेज में थ्रो करते हैं. गार्बेज जाता है रिवर में और उससे जाता है ओशन में. तो वो लाइक वो भी गार्बेज का रिसाइकल है. और जो लाइक वो साइकिल होती है, जो वो क्या बोलते हैं, माउंटेन्स होते हैं गार्बेज के, जो रिसाइकल होते हैं वो रिसाइकल फैक्ट्री में जाता है. और लाइक जो बॉटल होती है प्लास्टिक की, वो रिसाइकल में जाती है, हम पीते हैं. बट जो लाइक बचा होता है प्लास्टिक, वो एक सिलेक्टिव जगह पे जाता है. मेरे पापा ने बताया था कि एक पॉइंट होती है, वेयर इज द पॉइंट, एंड वी ट्राई टू लाइक फिगर आउट. आई फिगर आउट टुडे ओनली.
Okay, Sana, but thank you. You were very close. Yes, who's saying? Who's speaking? Yes, Mr. Vikas, बताइए. and then Nandika.
Sir, then it goes to the ones that are not recycled. They go to the ocean.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you, thank you. Yes, Nandika.
Sir, the ones that are not recyclable, some of them go on the in the ocean, and some go in the trash mountain.
In the trash mountain. Yes, I agree. I agree with all of.
Some can go into the mountain, and some can go into the ocean.
Yeah, yeah. But Nandika, suppose I am throwing my house garbage. I'm collecting garbage from my house and throwing in your house. What you will feel? What do you feel? I mean, how you will feel at that moment? What will be your reaction, Nandika? And be practical. Be specific and be practical. I'm saying I am collecting garbage from my house, right? And it doesn't matter वो कितनी quantity में है Nandika. And I'm collecting all those garbage and throwing in your house. How you will feel?
Then it would be like then it would be like my brother troubling me, so I will react how I react to him when he's troubling me.
No, my question. Did you understand my question, Nandika?
Yes, yes. My reaction will
What is the
be
question?
Wait,
I
wait, wait.
will be
Devanshi,
very,
wait.
I will be very angry and I'll tell you to put it back into your house and keep it outside so that the bhaiya can take it together.
And suppose अगर मैं समझ ही नहीं रहा हूं नंदिका उस एक्शन को जो मैं कर रहा हूं बार बार कर रहा हूं रिपीट कर रहा हूं आपके साथ that is what you will do.
I will do it myself.
What?
I will take all the trash out every day, and then the bhaiya will take it and take all the society's trash.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Nandika. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Vikas, you were saying something, and then Advay. The same situation for you. What you will do in that position, in that situation?
Sir,
Okay,
I didn't
Okay, Vikas, you take your time. Vikas, it's okay. I will come to you again. Advay, your turn, beta, and then Sharvi.
Sir, all the garbage that doesn't get recycled gets burned.
No. I'm saying the same question for you, Advay. I mean, if I am collecting the garbage from my house and throwing in your house, what will be your reaction?
Sir, I will not care and throw it in back in your house because it's your.
Okay, okay.
I will try to be your teacher and help you understand you have to recycle the garbage.
Oh, so you will tell me ke, what could be the other possibilities. A very good good stand. Thank you, Sharvi. Yes, and then Ayana.
So, sir, I would instead, I would like, if you would do it to me, I would just like, not, I would, I would just simply, I would just tell you that is the, if you'll do this, if you
Hmm.
do this, do
Hmm.
you think it will help by doing this? Do
Hmm.
you think it will help me?
Hmm.
And I mean, like, I always think when you do something rude to someone else, then
Yeah.
you feel upset yourself. But when you do something good to yourself, good to someone else, you'll feel good yourself. That I have done something nice. So then I would try to explain to you by giving you an example that that of when you did something good and you felt good about it. And then another example when you did something bad and you admitted that you felt it was bad, that I didn't like doing it, and then after you if you would understand, I would explain other ways you can do it. You could, if it's just a plastic bottle, maybe you could just clean it and then put water in it, and then maybe just sometimes some people come who don't have water, are feeling thirsty, give it to them. Like my mother, she has lots of empty plastic bottles, so she keeps them. She puts water in them, and there's one man who does jhadu pocha or anybody that works for us. She gives that plastic bottle to them with water so they can drink, and like that.
Okay, okay, very well said. Ayana, yes, beta, what is your
So, sir, like Ajay said, that he will do the same to you. Like then, I think that's fine to do, but then the same thing that comes is that you first need to think that, like, if you do it to me, then I will do it again to you with my own garbage. And then and then like and the point comes that you should, like Shari said, like you should first think of what can I do with this, and if nothing comes in your mind, then only you should throw things.
thank you, every one of you. So, my understanding is that if I will start doing this action, I mean, throwing garbage from my house into your house or to you, so you will speak. You will try to speak with me. You will try to explain to me what will be the better way I can keep all this garbage, and what should I do with
So
all this
I
garbage.
have another point. I have another point.
Yes, Ayana, speak.
So, like the time you do it to me, it's not that I do it at the same time. Like if you do it in the morning, then I will do it in the next morning, and then till you don't stop it, I will not stop it, and you will. I think you will stop it when you see that this this person feels bad when you put garbage in their house, and now I am feeling the same. So then you can just come and say sorry, or I can come and say sorry.
But again, Ayana, you're absolutely right. आप सब आंसर से मैं एक चीज समझ पा रहा हूँ, एंड विच इज दैट कि आप लोग कन्वर्सेशन करेंगे, आप लोग बातचीत करेंगे, आप मुझे समझाने की कोशिश करेंगे. बट नाउ in this circumstances, which is truth, that we as humans, हम सारा गार्बेज एक जगह इकट्ठा करते हैं, और वहां से जो गार्बेज रिसाइकिल नहीं किया जा सकता उसे हम रिवर्स में डालते हैं, और वो रिवर से बहता हुआ ओशन में चला जाता है. राइट? अग्री ऑन दिस एवरीवन? यू कैन शो मी आंसर.
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. बट अभी तो मैं बीइंग अ ह्यूमन जब गार्बेज डाल रहा था, तो हम सब कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज वी ऑल आर ह्यूमंस. बट व्हाट इफ जब हम ओशन में गार्बेज डाल रहे हैं, तो वहां के जो क्रिएचर्स हैं, चाहे वो फिश हो, चाहे वो टर्टल हो, चाहे वो कोई भी क्रिएशन, तो वो तो can't speak. How they will speak, how they will complain. Hey humans, listen. This specific action done by you guys, you people, is not okay for us. आप समझ रहे हो मेरी बात, जो मैं कह रहा हूं, जो मैं रखने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं आपके सामने? Do you understand that? So how we can communicate with them, or how those creatures, actually those species, can speak with us? Do you have any solution? Do you have any idea? And Sharvi, and then Gurnur.
So I think that those animals not eat it, just with understand, they should without understanding take the garbage one by one in their mouth. So not eat them, just like that. Like the shark has such big that, so they can just like put it in their mouth, hold it, come to the beach, and then keep it there. So then when humans will come to the beach, they will feel how it is that we're at the beach and look how it's so messy and how horrible it is to be with the garbage.
Right, right. Yes, Gurnur and then Angad.
They can just keep as much garbage as possible and do the same thing we are doing with them. So we understand. We come to the beach to relax, enjoy, and then suddenly you see garbage and horrible smell.
Okay, Sharvi, thank you. Gurnur.
So, sir, like Sharvi said, they can put it in the mouth and throw it on the beach. Um, so maybe the whale doesn't actually swallow it straight away. It keeps it in its mouth, so you can tell the whale to take it and put it on the beach. So
Oh,
then, yeah. And
okay.
also, sir, I wanted to say, um everybody is chatting when we're saying stop, then then and I said pay attention, they are say we are paying attention by chatting.
एक्चुअली गुरनूर मेरी आईज वहां पर भी हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं उसको देख नहीं पा रहा हूं, बट ये बड़ा बहुत अजीब नहीं लगता आपको कि एक ही चीज के लिए बार बार रिपीट किया जाए? आई मीन, जब हमें पता है कि चैट में विदाउट एनी एनी आई मीन अगर जरूरत नहीं है तो वी आर स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन अ चैट
Yes,
बॉक्स,
sir.
है ना? जरूरत होगी डेफिनेटली हम एक साथ फिर लिखना शुरू करेंगे, है ना? वो मोमेंट भी आने वाला है. बट टिल देन प्लीज डू नॉट राइट एनीथिंग इन अ चैट बॉक्स. या okay, then Angad and then Devanshi, Advay, and then we will move quickly to the next level. Thank you, Gurnor.
So, sir, I was saying that like animals when they eat garbage, so for example, because like people keep throwing garbage everywhere, so animals then eat that garbage, and for example, one animal like cow. So my father told me that when it eats, it has the option to like spit it out also. And sometimes if they don't do that, then they just go out and put it into it on the sea, and then sea also gets polluted by that.
Hmm. Right, Angad. True. Thank you. Yes, Devanshi.
I wanted to say for that garbage one, that is someone type of. So if like you are type of throwing garbage under my house, so I will just try to understand you. Please don't do that. And just if you don't know that when the garbage type of garbage truck comes, so I'll tell you the time. Then you can dump your garbage in it. That would be a very nice thing.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Devanshi. Yeah. Thank you. Advay. Yes, quickly, and then we will move.
Sure, if like Sharvi's idea was really good, but it can't really happen because the animals will die. If they come too close to the land, they will just stay on the land and die.
Yeah, maybe.
The
Yeah.
whale
Right.
also,
You're right.
the whale will also.
Sharvi, wait. Let him
And
speak.
I
Let him
have another
complete.
question.
Dion, wait.
So
Yes,
the
sorry.
whale will also die if it goes over there. They can, but there's a way that they can still throw the garbage on the sea, or with the help of the whale. The whale squirts water on the top of that, so they can store all the garbage over there,
Okay.
and then the whale can just and it will
Yeah,
reach
yeah.
them.
I agree. I agree. Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Oh,
so I want to
Dion, quickly. Yes, Dion. Sharvi, एक मिनट, Sharvi.
So, like Advay said, whales can't come on the land, and the first thing is this, and the second thing is how will you understand a whale? Because whale don't know like English, Hindi, so they don't know the language. So how will you communicate with them to come to land, and put the garbage on the land?
I have. It's my turn. No, no. I will.
Can
I will.
I
I have a
after
solution.
that?
I
Shall
have one possibility in my mind.
They
So
do
let.
English. I
अरे
mean,
नहीं, अरे विकास जी रुक जाइए. तो मेरे पास ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. आज की इस आने वाले दूसरी एक्टिविटी के अंदर हम इन स्पीशीज जो कि ओशन में रहते हैं, इनको हम जबान देते हैं. जबान यानी कि जबान देते हैं मींस हम लेट्स लेट्स अज्यूम दैट दे कैन स्पीक like humans. And how we will do that? So I'm calling out few names, and what they're supposed to do, I'm sharing with you right now. So just listen to me carefully. Gurnur, Sana, Sharvi, Devanshi, Vikas, Bjorn. I'm repeating these names: Gurnur, Sana, Sharvi, Devanshi, Vikas, Bjorn, and Kabir. आप सबको, एंड अंगद ऑल्सो, आप सबको 3 चुन्नीज लेकर आनी है. चुन्नीज मीन्स दुपट्टा. इट कैन बी कितना बड़ा हो सकता है वो चुन्नीज या दुपट्टा, किसी भी कलर के हो सकते हैं. एंड देन लाकर जल्दी से अपने फ्लोर पर उनसे एक सर्कल बनाना है. इतना बड़ा सर्कल बनाइएगा जिसके बीच में आप इजीली बैठ सकें. राइट. तो अपने कैमरे के लेंस को उस, जब आप फ्लोर पर बैठेंगे तो उस तरफ, नीचे की तरफ डाउन कर लीजिएगा.
I
You
can't
have,
do that, sir.
sorry,
I
yes,
can't
Sharvi,
do that, sir.
that's
I cannot do that, sir.
why, beta?
I mean, I'll have to join from a different device then.
Oh, अच्छा, तो शार्वी आप रहने दीजिए. So अंगद,
Oh,
अयाना.
sir, I found a possibility. I think I can do it. I can do it.
अच्छा, चलो शार्वी, then you guys please go collect 2 and 3 chunnis quickly and start making a circle out of those chunnis. Quickly go.
sir,
In the
Sir,
meanwhile,
my
in the
mom's
meanwhile,
call is going on, so I can't go and get the dupatta.
it's okay,
sir,
Siddharth. It's okay.
sir, I can't hear you. So can you tell me what happened?
Atharv, we are trying to do one activity here. So जो मैंने names लिए हैं अथर्व, like गुरनूर, शार्वी, कबीर, देवांशी, सना, right, Vikas and Bjorn. They're supposed to collect 3 chunnis, Atharv, right, in any color, and they need to put all these chunnis on a floor, and they
Sir,
wait. Kabir, wait, Baba, wait.
Three
And
color.
Arey, everybody, mute yourself.
Sir, 3 color.
Mute. Yes, any 3 color.
So one second, I'm getting.
Yes. And also Athar, and after getting these 3 chunnis, they're supposed to make one circle and sit in
Sir,
between.
can we use sketch pens?
Yes, you can, Ayana, you can.
Any
Yes.
3 colors.
Yeah, Gurnoor, yes.
Sir, I still
Sir, I don't actually, I can't actually get the chunnis because
Guys, Gurnoor, wait. I will not entertain you until and unless you will not raise your hand. If you really want to ask, please raise your hand. Now it's Gurnoor turn.
sir, actually I can't get chunnis because my mama's cupboard is locked and she's
Wait. Whatever the clothes you have, if you can find any clothes, any chadar, so out of one chadar or some used clothes, you can make the circle. It's not necessary you need to bring 3 chunnis.
okay.
Yes. Wait. Nandika. Yes, beta.
Sir,
Ayana, fine.
sir, about that paper bag, I was working on my second one, but my first one is almost done. And Bladder wanted to do coloring in the last of birds. So can I
Okay, fine.
show?
Wait. Ayana, beta, can you show me your circle?
I don't have chunni.
Acha, ठीक है. Okay. So Devanshi, I can see your circle and please sit in between. Very good. Sana, where is Sana? Gurnoor, Dion, I'm waiting for you, beta. Vikas ji, Sharvi, very good. I can see, yes, Sharvi. Very good.
So I think I have chunnis. Can I get it?
Yeah, please, beta. Jaldi. Ayana, jaldi. We don't have so much time because we need to start this activity. Yeah. Okay, Dion, अपना कैमरा टिल्ट कर लीजिए नीचे की तरफ so that we can see you. Yeah. Mr. Vikas ji, waiting for you. Very good, Sharvi. Very good, Devanshi.
Sir, can you see mine?
I
cannot do.
No, Kabir, I can't see yours.
Sir, now can you see mine?
But sir, I can't use any dupatta. My mom's call is going on.
Okay, fine. Angad, very good. Angad, sit down. Sit in a circle. नीचे कर लीजिए उसको थोड़ा सा नीचे. Yes. Okay, fine. अंगद थोड़ा सा ऊपर हो सकता है, little bit up. Yes, absolutely. ठीक है, thank you. Okay, Dion. So Sharvi, where are you? Gurnoor.
Sir, I wasn't finished.
Sharvi, it's fine. It look like yes. Sharvi, आप इसमें बैठ जाइए. It's fine. Yes, Sharvi. बैठ जाइए इसमें. Very good, Sharvi. Very good. Okay. Divanshi, please अपने सर्कल में बैठ जाइए जल्दी से. Nandika, yes. Tell me.
Sir, I was working on another one for my brother. I just need to color the first one. So can I show you the first one? What I have
Beta,
done?
before we leave, Nandika, you can share with us. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so now these people, Ayana, Charvi, Gurnoor, right, Dion, Vikas, Kabir, and Sana. These are the species, different species from the ocean. ये ओशन में रहते हैं, right? Guys, आप लोग जो के
सर मैं नहीं.
देवांशी, आप लोग जो भी देवांशी जिनका मैंने अभी नाम लिया है, जो लोग चुन्नी की हेल्प से सर्कल में बैठे हैं, आप लोग अपने आप को एक नाम दीजिए जो कि ओशन में आप रहते हैं. आप कोई भी स्पीशीज हो सकते हैं. एंड देन द अदर स्टूडेंट्स जो कि इस तरह चुन्नीज लेकर नहीं आए हैं, सर्कल नहीं बना रहे हैं, हम सब हैं ह्यूमंस. एंड व्हाट वी सपोज टू डू, आप लोग सब रेडी रहिएगा. इमेजिनरी गार्बेज हमें इनके ऊपर फेंकना है. तो आई विल काउंट 1 2 3 एंड आफ्टर दैट हम ह्यूमंस को लेट मी कंप्लीट यू कांट टॉक लाइक दिस. तो हम सब ह्यूमंस को इमेजिनरी गार्बेज कलेक्ट करना है और इनके ये जो हैबिटेट है, ओशन जो इनका हैबिटेट है, उस हैबिटेट के अंदर इन पर फेंकना है. एंड व्हेन वी विल स्टार्ट थ्रोइंग गार्बेज ऑन यू, you need to react, and one by one I will give you chance to speak, right? Charvi, Devanshi, Kabir, Gurnoor, Dion, and Vikas. You got my point?
And me also. So what we have to speak then after that?
I will tell you. Yes, Samriti, wait. तो आप जो स्पीशीज बन रहे हैं, आपके दिल में क्या आ रहा है, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं ह्यूमंस को, तो यू कैन स्पीक दोज थिंग्स एट दैट टाइम. Got me? You understand, all of you, what we are doing, what we supposed to do now?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And we are starting after 3. Very good, Devanshi. Very good. Very good.
First name, right?
Yes. Okay. Wait. Yes, Smriti, बताइए.
Sir, my name is Angad.
Yes, sorry, Angad. Yes, boliye.
Yeah, sir. So I was saying that I made that thing that circle. So now what we have to do? I just joined from a different
No,
device.
no, Angad, you have to first of all switch on your camera.
Sir, sir, my camera is on.
No, your camera is not on.
Yeah, so Angad's camera is on.
Okay, then fine,
Angad's
then
camera
fine.
is
Okay, okay, okay. अंगद आपको सर्कल के बीच में बैठ जाना है, राइट? एंड हम सब ह्यूमंस अब गार्बेज, इमेजिनरी गार्बेज उठाएंगे और आपके आपके इस आपके ऊपर फेंकेंगे, राइट?
Sir,
आपके
I'm
हैबिटेट पर
sorry.
फेंकेंगे.
Sir,
सना,
I'm sorry to
यस,
interrupt.
And
And
we have to react.
I actually have some internet issue, and I have to do a little bit of prepare also. So can I leave a little early?
ओके, ओके, यस, यस, यू कैन, ओके.
Sir, we have to
राइट,
tell the name of
बी,
something. You have to
सॉरी.
you said you have to tell the name or the creature or something.
No, no, this is totally up to you what you want to make yourself, right? आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं, आप वो खुद बनिए.
So can I please say what I want to be?
Yes, yes.
I want to be a Samaisi fighting.
Okay, okay, okay. So now humans, are you ready, guys? Show me thumbs up if you're ready.
Sir, I want to be a siren.
It's
Actually,
okay. It's
Sir,
okay. Don't tell me
sir,
right now.
I do not have any garbage and a dupatta and a
Siddharth,
circle
Siddharth, that's why
because
Siddharth, that's why I'm
sir,
saying
I am
that
a black siren and a blue
you
siren.
can't, Devanshi, you can't speak like this. I'm talking with someone. Come on. ओके सिद्धांत, आपको इमेजिनरी यानी कि बनावटी एक कूड़ा हाथ में ऐसे जैसे मैंने उठा रखा है. Oh my God, and you can make your face also. And now start 3, 2, 1 to them. Yes, start throwing. Yes, throw all the garbage. Oh my God, throw all the garbage. Yes, Siddharth, come on. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Now, wait. Devanshi, your turn to speak. What do you want to say to these humans?
Please don't hold garbage. It's destroying our home.
Okay, very good. Again, थोड़ा सा और garbage लेते हैं, लग रहा है, और डालते हैं इनमें, और फेंको इन पर. Yes, सिद्धार्थ, आप ही लग रहे हो मेरी help कर रहे हो. नहीं, I can see now lots of people. Yes. Okay, Dion, what do you want to say to them?
Stop polluting our oceans. You're polluting our habitats.
Oh.
If we pollute your habitats, how will you will like it?
अरे how you will do and who cares? Okay, फेंको और फेंको और फेंको और
Sir,
फेंको.
may
Come
I
on.
say my reaction?
Charvi, your turn. Manav, wait.
How will don't you understand? How are you feeling right now? You're feeling good or you're feeling bad? If you, I think you're feeling bad because if you're being bad to us, you will feel bad. Because you are when you're rude to someone, you feel bad. When you're nice to someone, you feel good. Right now we are here fishes. There's so many of us. We're so different, and you are doing researches on us. Now you do research on us. How can you be killing us? You have to preserve this world. It's not just us you have to preserve. You have to preserve the whole wildlife. We need a habitat to survive. You need water.
हाँ, ठीक है. मानव, being a human, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे अपने इस एक्शन के बारे में कि how this action of yours is right? Manav, can you hear me? Nandika?
Oh yeah.
Nand-
Oh sir, I can hear you.
yes, Manav, say it now.
What the heck is this? Don't you understand? You are destroying our whole earth. Now next time don't throw like this. Otherwise I will throw in your house, okay? And you
No,
better
मानव, ह्यूमन बन के बोलना है. हम जो थ्रो कर रहे थे अभी गार्बेज, हमारा एक्शन क्यों सही है? Why we think कि हमारा ये एक्शन ठीक है और हमें गार्बेज ओशन में डालना चाहिए, तो वो बोलना है.
Sir, can I also say?
Yes, Angad.
First, Ara was saying something I couldn't hear.
No, Angad, you can start sharing.
Sir, but I. So we have to say that. What do we have to say? We have to say that why they are polluting this place.
No, no, Angad. First of all, I can't see you at so. Or second is, what are you? Are you species live in ocean?
Sir, you said that. Yeah, the
Do you
है
species.
have
ना?
the
So
dupattas
okay.
or chunnis around you in a
Hold,
circle?
hold, 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 hold. Wait. I'm telling him. I'm telling him. So Angad, you wait for your turn. Now I need one human from this class. Kabir, can you hear me? Kabir?
Sir, I didn't
Angad,
get.
wait. Kabir Dhawan. Kabir, can you hear me?
Yes,
Oh, one human from this class, guys. Come on, volunteer yourself.
sir, Adve.
अद्वै, ओके, अद्वै बीइंग अ ह्यूमन, हम ये जो गार्बेज इन पर फेंक रहे हैं, इनके हैबिटेट में डाल रहे हैं, अब आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इन सबको?
कि why we are right.
या मतलब हाउ वी आर राइट?
You animals, we our garbage doesn't get recycled. We throw it in your ocean, and we have a clean home. We want to keep our home clean, so our kids don't step on the dirty things or touch it.
ओके ओके अद्वै, थैंक यू. अंगद, आप कौन से स्पीशीज बने हैं आप ओशन में रहने वाले?
Sir, I don't understand. You said that we have to put some chunnis, but I haven't done that. I don't get it.
अच्छा Angad, so be a part of this class. Just stay here and listen what we are doing, right? Don't say, don't do anything. Just listen to us. Okay, so Vikas ji, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you say now your feeling?
First you cut out our first you kill our families, you kill our people, and then you destroy our forest, you make your own buildings and all that. But now when we got some places, you're polluting that place too. How can we live?
Yes, absolutely. So guys, now please, first of all, uh, हम जो रोल प्ले कर रहे थे, राइट? तो हम इससे पहले बाहर आते हैं. सो हम जो ह्यूमंस हैं, हम ह्यूमंस ही बन जाते हैं सब, राइट? बट थैंक्स फॉर योर पार्टिसिपेशन. एंड आई थिंक जिस क्वेश्चन को लेके हम बात कर रहे थे कि बीइंग अ ह्यूमन वी कैन टॉक, वी कैन थिंक, वी हैव ब्रेन, एंड हम उसका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. तो हम एक दूसरे से आर्ग्यूमेंट कर सकते हैं, बट हम किसी ऐसे हैबिटेट को पोल्यूटेड कर रहे हैं, बीइंग ह्यूमन, राइट, कि जो बोल नहीं सकते हैं, जो अपनी बात रख नहीं सकते हैं. तो उसके लिए भी हमें ही समझदारी दिखानी होगी, हमें ही अपनी इंटेलिजेंसी से काम लेना होगा. And the way you shared your thoughts, it was amazing, outstanding, all of you guys, all of you. And that's why in the next class हम ये जो वेस्ट मटेरियल, हमने वेस्ट सरप्लस ऑब्जेक्ट को लेकर बात की थी, तो हम इनसे क्या बना सकते हैं, बजाय इसके कि हम इनको अपने गार्बेज में फेंकें और गार्बेज से अगेन ओशन में जाए. तो हम इनको अपने पास ही रखते हुए ऐसा क्या है जो हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं किसी के लिए भी. सो वी विल थिंक अबाउट दैट. ठीक है? टिल देन, थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गुड लक. बाय एवरीबॉडी, बाय, टेक केयर.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, wait, Nandika, wait, Nandika, yes,
Bye,
yes.
sir. Bye,
No,
sir.
no, don't go.
Bye, sir.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
Bye,
Stay
sir.
here.
Bye,
Stay
sir.
here.
Bye,
Stay
sir.
here.
Bye, sir.
I
Bye,
say
sir.
stay here.
Everyone,
Bye, sir.
stay here.
Nandika,
Stay
you can
here.
show to me. Nandika.
This is my bag and I'm working on another for my big brother.
Sir, may I
Oh.
leave? I have a class.
I just have I
Yes.
just have to decorate it Halloween. So I'm
See
going
you
to
later.
print a
Sir,
Halloween
we also have a
costume
Halloween party. Happy Halloween,
and
sir.
and another
Bye, sir.
cupcake,
Happy Halloween.
and then
Sir,
another plastic
class
bag.
at 1:30. Bye.
Yes, you can leave now. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Good mood. Tell you something important.
Good
What
note.
is
What do
Nandika?
we have to
Nandika, good
bring for
job.
the
Good
Halloween?
job, Nandika. Good job.
Good
Bye,
note.
sir.
Check
We
the
have to bring for
email.
the Halloween
Check the
party.
email.
What?
Okay, you have to check the email. Okay.
Bye. So, but what
Bye bye,
the
Advent.
craft thing?
I made this actually.
Oh
Yeah.
wow, it's
Nice.
beautiful. It's
Sir,
very
this is actually an online sticker. I made it today. I have Bitmoji.
wow, wow. Great, great, Devanshi.
And
Great.
this is me actually. I'm on the
Oh,
class.
this is you. Oh my God.
And I made a good morning.
Oh wow, it's so beautiful.
Reading.
Ah, professional artist. Wow.
Back to school.
Back to school. Oh, so sweet. Chalo, thank you. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. Bye.
Okay. This is that app actually Bitmoji.
Oh,
From in this you press fashion and everything you can like do. You can do these outfits and
okay,
everything.
okay, okay. Great,
It
great,
will come like
great.
suppose these are all the costumes.
Chalo. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye. Take care. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, beta. Bye. Bye.
I actually like making stickers. I made too many stickers.
Okay, okay.